Steve 69, getting ready to put new belts on it just for peace of mind. These actually are the original belts. When I get them pulled, I'll show you. It's quite amazing, actually. I'm impressed. But new belts. I'm going to check over some other little things so he can take her and have fun with her again and bring the 74 back. All right, so this car being very simple, non-AC, non-air pump car. Undo this nut here and this bolt here. Slide pump over. Out comes your power steering belt. Now, these are original. Uh-oh. Boom goes the dynamite over on Wessy's department. Where did I see the part number? Sorry. Mr. Disorganized over here. FOMOCO. Come on, focus. And there is the OEPN. How incredible is that? And getting our alternator belt off. Gonna be just as easy. 1, 2, and we done. Another OE belt. Incredible. Right, we got fresh belts. Ready to roll. So I've rewired our choke that was misbehaving on Steve. And gave her 2 pumps and hit the key. And she lit right off and is at a sort of high idle. I mean, not too crazy because we don't want her revving to the moon. But we're going to let her get up to temp and see how she behaves. So far, so good. It's cold started.